Good. Hi guys! So today with me Rustina,
Dia.
and Marley. Say hi! Dia, what we are going to do today?
Today we have a very fun experiment to do, Rich. It is a air pressure bottle experiment.
Wow!
Without further ado, let's go with the experiment.
Okay, let's go! So, what should we prepare for the experiment?
First, we need a plasticine, balloon, lighter, scissor, empty cup, straw, and a very big bottle. So first, Rush, what you need to do is to make a hole in a plastic bottle. The hole needs to be about 3 to 4 of the way to the top of the bottle, so you don't need to empty very much liquid out of the bottle. Before putting the bottle, you need to heat up the mouth of the scissor, but be careful. Make sure it is done under adult supervision. The second step is you need to stick a straw through the hole in the bottle and use a plasticine to seal the straw hole. The key to this step is making sure to create a good enough seal with the clay that air and water can only escape through the straw and not through the hole that the straw goes through. Fill the bottle about 1/3 full with water.
Step 4. Take a balloon and fill it with some air, but don't tie it off yet.
Okay, once you have added enough of your head to the balloon, place the neck of the balloon several times and hold it in place. Step 5. Attach the balloon to the bottle. While keeping the neck of the balloon twisted and pinching the neck to keep air from escaping, slide the mouth of the balloon over the opening at the top of the bottle.
This is how the final product looks.
Step 6. Let the balloon air escape and power the drink dispenser. As the air from the balloon pushes into the bottle, water will begin flowing out of the straw. Wow, that was so amazing! But how did this happen, Dia?
Okay, for that question, I think I'm going to let Malin share about the explanation. Go, Malin.
Interesting, right? So, before I give you an explanation on what actually happened in that experiment, we will first dive into the physics concept that is involved in that experiment. Let's go. So, the concept involved is called atmospheric pressure, specifically in fluid. Take a glass of water as an example. The molecules of water will collide with one another, and in return, it will exert pressure onto the wall of the glass it was contained in. Atmospheric pressure will exert pressure basically onto anything under its surface, including this glass of water, which makes the pressure inside this glass increase. To calculate pressure, we are given this equation, P equals to rho GH. P is the pressure in fluid, rho is the density of the fluid, G is gravitational acceleration constant, meanwhile H is the height of the fluid from the surface of the water. Take a note that as the height increases, the pressure will also increase. Now that we have learned about the concept of atmospheric pressure, let's move on to the experiment that we did just now. When we inflate the balloon, the hot air inside the balloon will act as a high atmospheric pressure. Once we attach the balloon to the mouth of the bottle, there will be a pressure difference between the air inside the balloon and the air in the bottle. The high pressure from the balloon will move downwards, which now increases the pressure of the fluid in the bottle. And since the fluid is connected to the low atmospheric pressure outside, the fluid will try to escape through the straw. Hence why water could flow out of the straw. But is atmospheric pressure even relevant in our daily life? Why do we need to know about it? Actually, it is very close to us all. Take a deep breath when you're breathing. The high atmospheric pressure in our environment outside actually helps to push air into our lungs so that we can breathe. So that's it for our video today. Thank you for tuning in to watch, and I hope that we all learned something new today.